Let's start. The project name is Fragment Navigation. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity, a Fragment 1, and a Fragment 2. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of the main activity, fragment_1.xml, which is the layout of Fragment 1, and fragment_2.xml, which is the layout of Fragment 2. Let's see the UI. In the main activity, we have a constraint layout, which will be used as a container for the fragments. The ID of this layout is container. In Fragment 1, we have a button, go to the second fragment. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the button. In Fragment 2, we have a text view, second fragment. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, we have called the loadFirstFragment method. In the loadFirstFragment function, we have added Fragment 1 in the activity container. These are the imports. This is Fragment 1. In the onCreate function, we have set the onClick listener of the button. In the onClick function, we have called the goToSecondFragment method. In the goToSecondFragment function, we have replaced Fragment 1 with this Fragment 2. We keep this fragment as it is. Let's run the app. As you can see, Fragment 1 is loaded by default, and when I click the button, Fragment 1 is replaced by Fragment 2. So that's it. That's how you can navigate between fragments in the Java Android. Thanks for watching.